The 2023 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, Unlimited Horizons. For fans of the iconic street glide looking to improve two-up touring, then the 2023 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited is the machine to put a leg over. Powered by the popular Milwaukee 8114 engine, which is shared across the 2023 Harley Davidson lineup, it can easily handle the weight of passengers and all your gear. With 119 pounds-ft of torque, you'll feel the power as the Ultra Limited carries you toward the horizon. The Ultra Limited is loaded with features like a 6.5 TFT display, heated grips, cruise control, and boom, trademark box GTS system. The Reflex Defensive Rider System is an option, but trust me, you'll want to add that electronic package. With a bike this good, no significant changes were needed from the legendary American motorcycle builder. The Ultra Limited has everything one could want to make a great two-up touring ride. The Ultra Limited is one of 6 limited edition, serialized motorcycle models featuring commemorative paint, finishes, and premium features that celebrate 120 years of Harley-Davidson pride and craftsmanship. It can be yours for a $3,000 premium.
Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
The 2023 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited starts at $29,799 United States dollars per $35,699 CAD.
We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that